In today's online world, having fast and reliable internet in your home is a need, not a want. Your internet provider is the gateway to staying connected, and that is quite the important task. Now, most cable internet providers cater directly to customers in dense urban and suburban areas and let rural customers fend for themselves. And that's why it's important to check all the important details of each provider and its plans to make sure it'll work perfectly for you. Now, satellite internet has become the best and most used option for rural internet users, and there are a wide variety of providers to choose from. And that's why today we're going to do a full in-depth review of HughesNet, one of the most popular satellite internet providers in the world. We'll extensively review 5 different categories, including data limits, features, and more to see if HughesNet is right for you. In the satellite internet market, data limits are one of the most talked about topics. Every provider has a different way of handling data speeds and data caps, with many imposing hard data caps that shut off service past a certain limit. Luckily, HughesNet doesn't impose any hard data limit, so you'll never be fully disconnected just because you went over a data cap. On the speed front, HughesNet can deliver speeds of up to 25 megabytes per second and upload speeds of 3 megabytes per second, which is more than enough for surfing the web, emailing, streaming, and working from home. HughesNet also comes with a built-in Wi-Fi, so you can easily connect all your favorite devices to the internet, including phones, computers, tablets, and more. Your internet speeds don't mean a whole lot if they're continuously disconnecting or going in and out. Rural internet providers have gotten quite a bad reputation for spotty signal reliability, but HughesNet has been able to buck that trend. Thanks to their new Gen5 internet technology, they can deliver a connection that reliably delivers great speeds regardless of where you live. Plus, because it's satellite internet, your service isn't bothered by bad weather and other issues. Now, overall, HughesNet offers one of the most reliable internet service providers available, and they cover the entire continental United States. Internet service isn't just about providing your home with a reliable and fast connection. There are a huge selection of additional features that can help set providers apart from each other. This is yet another category where HughesNet really separates itself from the pack. They provide a massive selection of additional features that bring extra value to their service. Now, the first 2 were brought up earlier in this review, the fact that HughesNet has no hard data cap, so you never have to worry about losing your connection, and that they offer free built-in Wi-Fi, which many other providers will charge extra for. But that's not all. HughesNet also includes its Video Data Saver, which automatically adjusts data rates so you can seamlessly stream high-quality videos without burning through data. Every residential plan also comes with a free bonus zone that allows an additional 50 gigabytes of data in off-peak hours between 2 a.m. and 8 a.m. Now, the bonus zone is perfect for any large downloads or updates that don't need to be done during the day. Another critical part of each internet provider is how much their service will actually cost you. Now, the internet is a necessity in today's world, but it also shouldn't put a massive dent in your wallet. Many internet plans, especially in rural areas, will cost upwards of $100 a month and be bloated with tons of hidden fees. Now, this is a category where HughesNet really shines through. HughesNet's Gen5 internet starts at only $59.99 a month and is available across the continental United States. Reliable, affordable, and available internet nationwide is something no other internet providers can boast, and it gives HughesNet a huge leg up over other providers. And not only that, but HughesNet and its affiliates are constantly running deals that sweeten the pot even more. You can regularly find deals such as free standard installation, prepaid cards, and more. Also, if you're interested in having home phone service, you can bundle HughesNet Internet and voice and cash in on some pretty big savings. Another great way to tell how a specific internet provider is going to work for your needs is to listen directly to how satisfied current customers are. Now, customer satisfaction can show exactly how well the service works, if the speeds are as accurate as advertised, how helpful and effective the customer service is, and more. Now, this is yet another category where HughesNet has managed to separate themselves above their competition. HughesNet has been rated #1 for customer satisfaction by U.S. News 4 years in a row. Current customers regularly praise the reliability of the service, easy-to-use customer service, and helpful features such as video data saver. Plus, because HughesNet covers the entire continental United States, customers love that they don't have to switch services every time they move. All in all, HughesNet is a great choice for many people in the United States. They provide a reliable internet signal to areas of the U.S. that typically tend to get overlooked by many service providers. They offer a variety of awesome features with easy-to-understand plan structures and helpful customer support. They are an exceptional choice for anyone looking for a fast and affordable internet connection for their whole home. Now, if that sounds good to you, give HughesNet a call today for a free standard installation, or visit satelliteforinternet.com and use promo code GET75 for a free $75 gift card, courtesy of Satellite for Internet.